Hello, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. Today's lesson is farm animals. Today's contents are learning vocabulary about farm animals. Then we will learn the new grammar rule and do some activities. Let's learn the farm animals. Cow, goat, donkey, rooster, duck, horse. Listen carefully and point to the farm animals.
Listen and point.
Vocabulary. Vocabulary. Vocabulary.
Cow,
Cow.
goat,
Goat.
donkey,
Donkey. Vocabulary. Vocabulary. Vocabulary.
rooster,
Rooster.
duck,
Duck.
horse,
Horse. Vocabulary. 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 Vocabulary.
Listen carefully and echo the farm animals.
Listen, then echo.
Vocabulary. Vocabulary. Vocabulary.
cow,
Cow.
goat,
Goat.
donkey,
Donkey. Vocabulary. Vocabulary. Vocabulary.
rooster,
Rooster.
duck,
Duck.
horse,
Horse. Vocabulary. 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 Vocabulary.
Now we are going to learn a new grammar rule. The sentence structure is, what is it? We use this sentence form when we want to know the name of something. The reply for this question is, it's a, then we add animal name. As you see in the picture, two friends are talking about animals. Now let's see. What is the boy asking? What is it? The girl replies, it's a cow. Let's do some activities. Find the correct answer. Pause the video and according to the picture, find the correct name. It's time to check. What do you think? What animal is it? It's a goat. Wonderful. The next activity is circle the farm animals. Pause the video and try to find all of them. It's time to check. Let's find all farm animals. They are donkey, duck, cow, horse. Amazing! Let's move on to the next activity. Read and match, then find the extra one. Pause the video and try to find the correct answers. It's time to check. The first one is donkey. The second one is cow. So the extra one is rooster. Fabulous. And the last activity is Complete the dialogue with the correct answers. Pause the video and try to choose the correct option. Let's check. The correct answer is the second one. What is it? It's a duck. Look at the picture. Two friends are talking about an animal. The boy asks, "What is it?" And the girl answers, "It's a duck." Good job. Let's sum up what we did today. Today we learned the vocabulary about farm animals. Then we learned the new grammar rule. What is it? And how to reply to this question, and did some related activities. I hope you have enjoyed it a lot. See you next time. Bye bye.